Galaxy Unpacked event. It's just right around the corner and we have so much stuff to take a look at, and probably Samsung will also start shooting the Unpacked event that will go online on August 5th. We also have the trailer number 2 of Galaxy Unpacked revealing some transitions like Apple's WWDC event. Also a big round of applause for Sonar Agarwal for leaking the Galaxy Z Fold 2 in all its glory, and honestly this is the perfect fold. Just look at the upgrade Samsung has made from Galaxy Fold 1 to Galaxy Fold 2. We now have bigger outer display, 120Hz main flexible display, protected by UTG panel, punch hole setups all over the Fold 2, powered by Snapdragon 865 Plus, bigger battery. I mean, it's the most perfect, the most powerful, feature-packed, beautiful, versatile smartphone of the year, and yet it costs $2,000. Yes, this is the same price as last year's Galaxy Fold 1. Despite having the upgrades like 120Hz, Snapdragon 865 Plus, Samsung kept the same price tag as it was with the first gen product. Then move little lower price value range, we have the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Nothing new here to talk about, we know everything about the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and now we have this 360-degree look of the Note 20 Ultra in this new mystic white color. Pricing is going to be $1,300 for the Note 20 Ultra with 256GB of storage and 5G. And moving a little more down, we have the Galaxy Note 20, or should I say Galaxy Note 20 Lite. It's rocking a plastic build with 60Hz 1080p OLED display, cameras of the S20, and most of all, which is also the worst of all, it's $999 price, which is the reason why most people will gonna get ignored and go straight to the Note 20 Ultra or the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. Galaxy Watch 3 is also gonna announce there. We have full marketing materials of the Galaxy Watch 3 as well as the unboxing video of the Samsung's Galaxy Watch 3. So click the link through the description to watch the unboxing video of Galaxy Watch 3. Samsung will also be revealing Galaxy Buds Live there in €189 and $169 price tag. It's gonna offer active noise cancellation, bigger battery life, 3 mics, and much more. We don't know if these will come out of the box with the Galaxy Z Fold 2 or we're gonna get last year's Galaxy Buds Plus. So yeah, that's it. Galaxy Z Fold 2 has leaked in all its glory. Do let me know what you think and like and subscribe for daily tech videos, and I'll see you in the next one.
Stay tuned.